We are here, we are here, we are here. One is an amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are marking up EUR, JPY. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Gonna head over to price action. Price action, last candle in the market. It's currently a doji. So we need the next candle to break above this area or below this area to push down or push up. Also, price action, highest highs. We're looking for price to break out this area here. Price action, lowest lows. We're looking for price to return to this area here. Price action, midpoint, right in the middle. So midpoint is right here. So those wicks tag the midpoint. Doji is on second level highs. Oh, with second level highs, you're gonna change that color to put an opposite color. Let's put blue in there. So we got blue for the midpoint, showing where price action is currently at. So let's look for patterns for that area. We can see market spiked up once, came back down. Market spiked up twice, came back down, and it pushed back up to that midpoint again. And market's just sitting right here. Could be a downtrend. As we can see, market created the area of support. So we're looking for a breakout or breakdown. The market's going to keep consolidating. If we look at what price came from before the double top, we received a double bottom at the area of the lowest low of that overall area, which would be the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times. So market's on this last time for that push up through the areas of higher highs. If it breaks and retest, we know that market's working its way up. If not, market's going to consolidate on this blue SR line that we created or at the top of that price action high, so to the midpoint before the breakout. You know, the market could break down, retest the bottom, and break down further. Let's head over to a weekly time frame. Let's see what we see. Price action is still a doji in the market. Market showing that market's right on that second level of the highs. We're looking for that breakout. And at the bottom here, we did get a pattern of some type of W. So coming down in red is the first leg, coming up in second is a white leg, red third leg, market pushed up. We got a double bottom in that area here. And this is why we are at the retest. This is always first, second, third, fourth. Retest, we're going to see that market's going to shoot back up. And if it does shoot up, we got to wait until we get the engulfing pattern. Once market breaks this level here, we look for the break and retest. Market come here. All right. Market respecting that downtrend. That looks like it in. So now we get to see it clear on the weekly. So market could be tagging up, bouncing down. Got a couple of retests, triple bottom in this area. Market spiked up back up to that high of that trend, back down to the low. Got a double bottom. Market spiked up back up high. Could be coming back down to that low. Okay, so we'd be looking for maybe a single top, double top, triple top. If that market doesn't break, then that market is doing what? Coming right back down to this area here. Okay. Near that area. So say about here. Headed over to the daily time frame. And overall structure as well looks like some type of first, second, third, 3 pushes to the top overall in that area. So if market doesn't break, we know it's coming back down to lower slowly. If it's respected, we can clearly see it's going to be respected for that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. That's why we have to retest again, and market could be showing up. So both directors is identifying patterns. So we just at an area where we're looking for that breakout to happen. Price action, you can clearly see where it's coming from. Double bottom or triple bottom. I say double bottom because he wanted me to spike. Market came up, spiked up to that high, spiked up to that low. Either double bottom, triple bottom. You want to add this as quadruple bottom, so it can be multiple spikes in that area. Market spike down to that zone area twice, 3 times, 4, 5. That could be 5 by 5 pushes to the top. Depends what angle you read it at, but the way I read it as the major spikes, 2 here, double top, major here, single bottom, triple bottom, market spiked up, pushed up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So that's overall cap. So market structure is drawing a pattern here. So that first leg is in that red, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. And we're gonna see the market pushing up. We have a W right here that just happened at that second level highs. If you think about putting the zone here, you can see how market is resting in that area. And down to the 4 hour. So if you think about price action, highest highs, resistance area here. This market spiked up once, spiked up twice, spiked up 3 times, got the retest. So we're gonna see the market's gonna respect this and push up higher for the breakout. If not, market could be coming down. Overall area of the structure, triple top. And if we do get that double bottom, it'll be a first leg, second leg, third leg. Market pushed up for that fourth. Got the retest. Market pushed up. Actually, retest is right here. First, second, third, fourth, retest. Market pushed up once, retest. We still got about a few more pushes out of that for that market to see if it's going to break out. So it has a chance to still break out with a few more pushes. That's why we're in that mid-range price action, highs, price action, lows, mid. Check out the 4. Let's check out the 3, see what we see. Okay, market price. We see a W down at the area where it's coming from, that area of support. So we have that first and second, third, fourth retest, 1, retest 2, retest. Still got about a few more pushes to that top before it breaks. Market can't break that high. So market's already the same thing. So extended candles in that market on the 3, headed to the 2, extended market. We can see the W with the retest in this area here. Market spiked up 1 high time in that area after that major retest. So market's looking like a triple bottom as we walk down this time frame. Spike 3 times, about 3, 4 major times at that area, and market spiked up for a retest. Second to last candle did not engulf. Third to last, second price action candle did engulf the previous area, showing that market looked like it is coming down for that retest. We really don't know how far. Headed down to the 30. Got the engulfing pattern. That market is working its way down. Price action about to engulf this area here, push that market down further. But you got to remember, guys, price action, highest highs, lowest lows, midpoint in the middle. The price may respect the midpoint, come right back up. May not be a overall drop back down to that low. Headed down to the 15. Got a double top in that area. Retest 1, retest 2. Market working its way down. Once market breaks that area, market showing the same readings on 30, 15, 5. Looking for price to engulf this previous area here. You need an extra candle to clear that area at that bottom of that cluster. Headed down to the 3. Market still did extended candles over to the horizontal to the right. Market's dropping down vertically. That support, waiting for 2, 3 more candles, maybe drop. Like I said, this cluster, as we currently see. Market's reading the same thing. 15, 5, 3, now in the 1. And that's the same readings, guys. Hey guys, very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet. When we find images on these charts, we'll find them in the trading charts as well. So what do we have here? We have some type of triple top. That's head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, market spiked up 3 times, cut and drop. After that, this pattern shows exactly what happens. After that, market broke, came back to retest, market sold down. Always look for a retest at those structures. Very important information, guys. Please study and review breakout retest strategy. On images, we can clearly see markets at a low, working its way up to that uptrend. Okay, once market breaks the uptrend, break the resistance line, we look for the return. It returned multiple times this area here. Once, twice, like 3 times, got a triple bottom. Market couldn't break below. What happened? Market pushed right back up. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching.